this is Dr. Aarti Bakshi. Welcome to Learning Skills for Life. We are working on Grade 5, Chapter 9, and we're coming quite to the end. See, this is all about the gratitude jar. Remember the gratitude list? So imagine every single day you putting a gratitude into your jar. Do you want to make it real? So imagine you take a container and you drop a gratitude every single day. Imagine the list that will come. It will be your go-to when you're feeling sad or angry. And look at all the beautiful things that have happened every single day. So till the time you make the container, put it on the page. Stick, write, decorate it. Make your gratitude jar something that you look forward to. So let's go on this master skill and this journey of gratitude. Welcome aboard.